Today we are going to dive into another Excel function that can make your spreadsheet work a whole lot easier. That's right, it's time to talk about the LEN function. The LEN functions is a simple yet powerful tools in Excel. It's used to count the number of characters in a cell, which can be incredibly handy and various scenario. Whether you are working with text, number, or a mix of both, the LEN function can help you quickly get the information you need. But enough of the intro. So let's jump right in and see how this function works. So I will be Excel B tutorial and I'm gonna show up with the example here. I prepared the customer's name or something, then I want to use LEN function in the result or the different cell. So right here the LEN then returns the number of the characters in a string, then use the parenthesis. Then I want to find out the length of Excel in the overall, this one, then hit on the OK. So here we got it, the 16 of the length in this text. So if you count the manually, it's auto come up, and also it's count the spaces between the word. Okay, now let's move into the rest of data and I want to apply to them. So here we got it, and this is our 10 days, and here we got the length is 10, and here it's also count the dot and with the data or with the number. For this reason we got here the 6. Okay, so by this applying the LEN function you can easily get it. Thanks for watching.